We are back today, and today we're going to show you how to do stuffed French toast with a peach strudel topping.
Right.
Okay.
Kind of similar to peach cobbler.
Okay. So I'm gonna start off with milk. Of course, you can use regular milk. I only have coconut milk here. Doesn't matter what kind of milk you use. I'm gonna show you how to get the base down for the French toast, basically. So use milk. You're gonna use a little bit of vanilla extract. Once again, here's my disclaimer. You guys know I don't measure anything. The thing about measuring is, of course, I learned how to, so vanilla extract. And then you're gonna use the nutmeg and then some cinnamon. And then I'm gonna crack open 2 eggs in here. So the thing about measuring, you guys, is, of course, I learned how to cook from my grandmother, but the reason why I don't measure, because you can taste everything. Like, just taste it all. That's all you gotta do is taste it. Okay, so now that you cracked your 2 eggs in there, you're gonna add, I'm gonna add a little bit more because I can eyeball it and tell that it needs like a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just using this little bowl here that I have. You can use any kind of bowl itself. So you're just gonna mix. Oh, it smells so good already. Yeah, so just make sure you mix all of your ingredients, combined it. And mix all of the ingredients. Now, I'm not going to put too much cinnamon in here because this is the type of bread that we're using today. We're using the Trader Joe's croissant loaf. I absolutely love this bread because it already has a cinnamon kick to it. Plus, it's thin. It's not thin slice. It's thick slice. And with stuffed French toast, you need thick sliced bread. So keep that in mind. Even if you don't have this bread, remember to keep in mind to use thick sliced bread.
So next, you'll make your stuffing for the inside, which is just 1 block of cream cheese. Well, you really don't need the whole block, depending on how much you're making, but we're gonna just do the whole thing today. Okay. You may want to soften it up just a little bit at first, but I don't need to. Then you go back in with the confectioner's powdered sugar.
Plug it in.
Since I didn't soften it, I'll go in and just mash it just a little bit to break it up. Hold it up out of the bowl just a little so it don't splash everywhere, but it can get really messy, okay? Put a little bit more sugar in. Next, we're going to add this apricot preserve. So just give it a little flavor here. I'm gonna add 2 scoops. Now with this, you can do anything you like. You can do blueberries, strawberries, fresh fruit, whatever. And it will just give it a little flavor. Mix it in. Okay, now this is all made up, the stuffing. I did add another big jumbo scoop in, but that's how I like it. Once again, you have to add it to your liking, so taste as you go. Now, next, you'll take 1 piece, spread it on here. Don't put too much. You don't want it to start gushing out, but you want to have enough to where you can taste it, okay? Try to stay a little clear of the edges because when you close it, it will spread. Top it here, stick it in. Flip it. So once you buttered your pan, you're going to go ahead and drop your first piece in. Look, hold on, what that is. Okay. So while your French toast is getting ready, you want to go ahead and prepare the top. Butter your pan, throw your peaches in, add you a little lemon, and then this person is perfect. And a little sugar. Once again, taste as you go to see if you need a little bit more sugar or not. Okay?
Okay, so our French toast have been cooking on the first side. So you're just going to take a spatula and you're just going to flip it to the other side. Make sure you kind of want to hold this side so that it doesn't come apart because it's still cooking together. And you just flip it over and your French toast should be beautifully crusted. And just hold it and you're going to make sure you just flip it again. I wish smells can come through so that you guys can see. Smell it. And then you're just going to flip the other side and let that side cook as well.
Okay, so for your topping, the strudel to go on top, you're going to mix flour, brown sugar, and sometimes I like to add brown and white, but because we have all this other sweet stuff going on, this should be enough. Okay, a little cinnamon. Butter. Now, after you mix it all, it should look a little bit like this. And you're gonna stick it in the oven until it gets hard. And I'll show you how that looks once it gets done. Okay? So once your strudel is done, you take it out of the oven and it'll be hard on the top and a little mushy on the inside. But take your spoon and just break it up really good. It should look like this. Break it up really good, and you may want to set it in the fridge or just leave it out for a second just to set just a little bit. When your French toast is done, it should look like this.
Alrighty guys, and this completes it. This is the French toast stuffed with peaches and strudel on the top.